Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 3 different data entry positions that you can work from home right here just for you. So this one right here is about the company Clerk. So they're looking for a dedicated and professional data entry clerk to work with a very unique and interesting data set in the NFT space. So what you'll do, you verify and standardize user submitted content, ensure timely processing of new data to keep our content up to date, make updates to existing content based on customer request, and help us maintain and further improve the high standards we have for the quality of our data. So if you would like to apply for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description right below so you can apply right away under job number 1. And now let's check out job number 2. We have a data entry specialist with the company Armanino. Is open to the US applicants. The data entry specialist will support the efforts of the analytics and intelligence AI team with the firm's growth office function. She will report to the head of analytics and intelligence and work close with other specialists within the AI team. She will be responsible for ongoing maintenance of the firm's customer relationship management system. So you're going to support shareholders, stakeholders, and various leaders in their day-to-day use of the CRM, perform data entry and maintenance within the CRM system based on updates provided to you, conduct searches to reveal missing information and inconsistencies in data, and then eliminate issues including merging duplicate records and populating missing data, conduct research to verify the accuracy of the information, as well as create and organize spreadsheets, test new CRM features, integrations, and prepare supporting documentation, responsible for creating and managing the company's target list, summarizing and compiling data for standardized reports, adhere to the best data management practices while always maintaining a high standard for accuracy and efficiency, as well as always protecting clients' information and identities. Here are some of the requirements that are preferred, like an associate's or bachelor's degree in business administration or related field preferred, not required. At least 1 year of experience in data entry or relevant experience, excellent knowledge of Microsoft Office Suite, knowledge and experience working in CRM, exceptional organization and time management skills. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry, we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. And the third job lead for data entry is for Deployed Resources, the company. So you'll be responsible for monthly COGS, financial reports, waste management reports, and keep files via SharePoint. Responsible for designing SOPs. Responsible for formula calculation, order guide, waste management, nutritional values, etc. Responsible for future design of templates used for specific contracts. Provide general administrative and clerical support. Schedule meetings via GoToMeeting, email, Doodle. Responsible for file management, perform research on various subjects, meeting note taker, responsible for resolving any administrative issues, responsible for extended clerical needs, keeping food service historical records, participate in any online training allocated, join weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly meetings, and ability to handle crossover duties. If you have proficiency in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint and Outlook, Excel mastery is required. Knowledge of operating standard office equipment, excellent communication skills, written and verbal, ability to prioritize projects, and strong problem solving skills, Good research skills and attention to detail, ability to work independently, ability to speak, read, and write in English, and have a clean driving record, even though it is work from home, but it does specify it there. If you feel like you're the perfect person for this position, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel, and all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.